Hey there, Tanya Stevens here, coming to you from the beautiful Gulf Coast, down in my home office here, and today I'm going to talk to you about MLM prospecting. How do you identify your target market? There's something here I'd like to share with you. Have you ever seen one of those? It's like a $100 bill. It's a fake $100 bill. Okay, it folds up. You've got your information on the inside. You know, what you do with this is you go around places like Walmart, you drop it on the floor, you drop it on the sidewalks when you're out walking around shopping, or you can, another trick is you can stick it in the pump at the gas station when you're pumping gas. Now, I will have to admit to you that I have used this. And every once in a while, in a blue moon, you will get somebody call you about this information. But, you know, that's for the return on your investment. That's a lot of time and energy that you're spending, you know, trying to figure out where to leave this thing. And for a targeted lead, you might as well be, you know, stalking people in Walmart, because it's just not that specific. Okay, so the reason I'm here today is to talk to you about prospecting and some of the more targeted ways that you can get your target market as a lead. So if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to offer you some free training that's going to help you with this process. So who is this elusive target market that you should be looking for? Well, believe it or not, because of the high rate of failure in multi-level marketing, your target market is actually other struggling multi-level marketers. You see, because of social media, the whole game of network marketing and multi-level marketing has changed. And it's easier than ever to find your target market. And you can do this yourself. You can learn some skills and techniques on the internet to actually attract your target market to you. So the answer to the question is, who is your target market? Your target market are other entrepreneur-minded people who are already open to the idea of network marketing. That is your target market. And I'm here to tell you today that there are many ways that you can use on the internet to attract those people to you and build your business using the internet. So what I've provided for you today is a training webinar that's free, absolutely free. There's no obligation. All you have to do is click the link below and watch the video. Now, that was my tip for you today. I hope that was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Tanya Stevens. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, so today there are three things that we're going to talk about. Number one is we're going to talk about how to drive traffic. Number two, no, that's not number one is not how you're going to drive traffic. So here's the deal. In the home-based business, here's the deal. In the home-based business, and another thing here that you're looking for in this market is people that are blah, 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 blah.